Hey everyone, this is Walid here, and welcome to a whole new channel. I'll be posting weekly updates every Sunday to let you guys know where I'm at and if there are any plans throughout the week. I'll also be posting videos throughout the week if there are any news coming up. So let's dive right in. I had a pretty great day on Friday. As you can see, I'm up 10% because of some of these plays that I'm in. Some of them include LCA. If you look at LCA, it has a pretty good day on Friday as well. It went up to 13%. But the main reason this is a LCA is actually a merger company with Golden Nugget, and Golden Nugget is to be a really good company, and I'm planning on holding this stock until it's 25. But as you can see as well, if you look at the week, it has a pretty awesome week. But if you look over here at around 11:30 on November 25th, it took a massive dip for no reason. And when I saw this, I knew I had to get it. So I got a good 10 shares and 3 calls. And what to expect? It went right back up and went even higher the next day. And if we look at my positions, I got an average cost of 16.11 at 10 with 10 shares, and I'm already up 26% just because I got at the dip. And if you look at the options, I'm already up 75%, which is a good amount, which is $600 because it was a $20 call for December 18th and $17.50 call for February. I'm very proud of this one, and as you can see, it's up a lot. I also got into SPCE because it's supposed to be commercializing rockets to space, pretty much, and that is having some good news. So might as well have some calls on it, and as you can see, it's pretty good. And I have some other calls as well. For example, ET and Nokia. I'll be having some new videos on these to explain why I suggest you getting them as well. Some plans and I have some plans for this week as well. I plan on getting some GameStop calls because GameStop, we all know what it is. It's just a video game company. They are we got the new consoles out as well. So with those new consoles and Christmas coming up, we know that they're gonna have a lot of sales. And so I plan on getting some calls for this and calls, for example, of this stock, Activision Blizzard, because they're also a gaming company. But they don't sell consoles or all that stuff. They sell the actual game. They're an actual maker. And so I'm planning on getting some calls with with the company, and I'll let you guys know if I do enter any. That's pretty much all I have for today. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day.